Today we're going to walk you through the complete process of installing PyTorch on Windows. Whether you're using Anaconda or pip, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Before we begin, ensure you have Python installed. We recommend using Python 3.7 or later. Also, if you plan to use a GPU, make sure you have CUDA installed. First, let's see how to install PyTorch using Anaconda. Open your Anaconda prompt and type in the following command. This command installs PyTorch with CUDA 11.3 support. If you don't need GPU support, you can omit CUDA Toolkit 11.3. Now let's install PyTorch using pip. Open your command prompt and enter the following command for GPU support. If you're using CPU only, use this command instead. To verify the installation, open your Python IDE or a Jupyter notebook and run the following script. This will print the PyTorch version and check if CUDA is available. If everything is set up correctly, you're ready to start using PyTorch. Now I'll show you how to troubleshoot common issues. Here are a few common issues and their solutions. If you're having compatibility issues, ensure your CUDA version matches the PyTorch version. If you're having path issues, make sure Python and CUDA are added to your system path. If you're having missing dependencies, use Conda or pip to install any missing packages. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.